Hi everyone, I'm Annie here. I'm back and show you another kit, and this is an exclusive kit. It's a, you can see I used the teddy bear image that I show you in previous video, that I make the crochet mini handbag kit, and I printed this, and I put some glitter here, and I stuff with the fiber so you can see its dimension. Okay, and I put one of these sorry, little tiny bag. Okay, and I dress up with the lace, alternate with the lace, so it turned out so beautiful. And this one of the handbag is a lace fabric bag that I in my stash for quite some times. Yeah, it's very beautiful, you can see, and have the two pocket behind. So yeah, I didn't use it, so I used to make this kit. So yeah, it's not so beautiful, and yeah, it's only one of this kit available. So if you're interested, you have to hurry. So I'll show you inside. Of course, I will make a bow to match with this bag. Yeah, and also with another teddy bear, this Shabby chic. I will put a link below the description box if you are interested to buy this digital image from Etsy shop. So you can see this, I didn't put anything, just leave to purchase this kit and see how she alter this. So it's not so beautiful. Let me to show you. Okay, and the case and the book, I ordered it, just follow the, but the fabric is different because yeah, I don't have this pattern, so but I will just follow the how to make this layer with the lace, and use some lace to cover the book page. And I use cardstock and felt also for this book cover. So I already ordered this page, and inside I just glue this image, this fabric here. Yeah, you can cover with the lace and the edges. Okay, so for this kit also you have the images that I print out in 5 different color. 1, 2, I really fussy cut it out because I know some people lazy to cut out, so I try to help cut it out. 4 and 5. On the page is the felt, and I cover with this printed fabric. Okay, and of course I use this one of my favorite crisscross trim to bind the book. Okay, total for 5 pages. This is the back here. Okay, so show you, and for the kit you will have one of these beautiful embroidery fabric. You can cut it up and layer and alter your kit. So this one here, and also include brighter lace, and this piece beautiful and also one of these tassels, so you can hang to your bag here, and then some the okay bridal applique with some this tangle fitted trim, and this fitted trim, so and some bridal applique here. Okay, beautiful. This one you can make a dress. Yeah, after the teddy bear, I mean the image. This one. Many here, so yeah, you enough. And I also cannot put too much, cause overweight. They will send me back the package, so I have to control the weight exactly 500 gram. Okay, this is the applique, and of course another piece of the tangle. Okay, it's beautiful. If you so okay. Hello Willow. Hello Nautica. What are you doing? What are you doing? Okay, and the piece of the cake here, and all these laces for you to cover the book. Okay, and these I use this to the edges here, so I give you some here, 2 yard, so you will have enough laces to play with your book. And some these laces, and these tiny, and this one I didn't do it for you, because just follow, maybe you see your way. Then you can cover another layer of this lace here, or use this to layer the inside. Okay, cover the ugly part, so you have to layer with this. It turned out beautiful. So, and some more laces. Okay, and this glitter very pale gold trim match with this kit, and one of my handmade lace flower is beautiful. Okay, and okay, some of the flower. Okay, let me just show you. Okay, here use this kind of flower to match with this kit. Okay, so you have this applique leaves, something, but drop out just one. Okay, and some of this champagne color flower, and some pink big size. and some small tiny matching color rosebud. Beautiful. Use this flower. It's quite matched with this, so I use this. I don't want to too colorful for this kit because it's very dreamy and soft color. Okay, like so. So yeah, all this is item for this kit. Only have one. So yeah, who are interested, you have to yeah, I'll show you the back, inside the back. Let me to show you the back. Let me to put all this first. Okay, this is the back, and inside, beautiful. And actually, yeah, this included this cardstock for the underneath, but this already 50 gram, so I want to save the weight to add more items into the kit, so I remove this. Yeah, if you want the part, you can just use the cardstock and cover the fabric to add in. Yeah, but if you don't have that one, so yeah, this, you can see the color is so soft. This I didn't alter. Yeah, you can add the flower or some to that flower here, something, so you still can add something at the back. So yeah, that's it. All this is the kit items here. So yeah, who interested to purchase this kit, you have to hurry because only have one. Only one. That just only one. So yeah, and just leave me a comment and let me know what do you think of this project, and give me a big thumbs up. And thanks again for everyone for stopping by, and bye bye.